Greenbuild is our largest storytelling platform. And this year, to fully cover the robust engagement we'll need for a post-pandemic building boom, we have upped the ante. To take a closer look at the value inherent in the pillars of UHGBC, sustainability, health and wellness, resilience, and equity, we created a series of summits to precede the main stage Greenbuild event.
An overarching theme that you'll hear is how more and more companies are recognizing and acting on the idea that what's good for the planet is good for business. Doing well by doing good is something that's very important to USGBC and to Greenbuild.
We believe healthy people and healthy places is the fastest way to build a healthy economy. The global pandemic has only made our beliefs stronger and our mission more vital.
Today's summit will dive into the newest research and technology around resilience-enhancing design, materials, and methods, with sessions on climate risk and resilience strategy, and community planning around equity and raising people's standard of living.
The vision is scarcity must go. There's abundance out there. None will suffer lack if we are loving our neighbors as ourselves.
Earlier this year, USGBC conducted a survey with almost 600 of our community members, and we heard that creating a healthier environment was a driving factor for them both personally and professionally. This community cares about each other's health, and we also share a deep responsibility to care about everyone's health.
Make sure that you block your calendar, no distractions, and let's stay tuned and let's bring this 2020 to a very positive close.